Good morning. What is homophones? Homophone, homo plus phone. Homo means same, phone means sound, same sound. Those words which are of same sound. So homophones have two things, same as different. Same, what is same in homophone? Same is the sound and different spelling, meaning. The words which have same sound but different spelling and meaning is called homophones. Pronunciation will be same but the spelling and meaning will be different. Examples are, let's see the first example. Sun, S-O-N sun and S-U-N sun. The pronunciation is same, the sound is same, but we can see the different in spelling and meaning. Now here, as you can see the difference, this is the sun, and here with the example I am explaining, Arun has a son, and on the other word that is also the same with the same sound, S-U-N sun, it is the sun which gives heat and light to the earth. Sun rises from the east. So with the example you must have understood that the same sound words but with different spellings and different meaning. Some more examples, let's see. C, S-E-E-C, S-E-A-C. The sound is same but the spelling is different. One S-E-E-C and the other is S-E-A-C. So the spellings, can you see? See, see means to look. I can see that cow. Here the see means to look, to watch. And the other one is S-E-A-C. Hey, he lives near the sea. The large water mass. Sea means the large water mass. So sea and sea. Pronunciation is same but different meaning. Now the next word, plane and plane, P-L-A-I-N plane and P-L-A-N-E plane. The pronunciation is same, the sound is same but meaning. Plane, can you see the slope? It was a plain room, or you can say the plain roof. Plane, this is a different plane. He went to Kashmir via plane. So can you see the difference? Plain means the smooth land. And now the next one, peace and peace, P-A-C-E peace, P-I-E-C-E peace. Peace, to calm. This means to calm, to rest in peace. Chavi's mind was in complete peace after meditation. And P-I-E-C, peace means a part, like this is a slice of a cheese. He gave me a small piece of cheese. So can you see the difference? The spellings are different, the meaning is different, but the pronunciation of some words are same. 8, E-I-G-H-T 8 and A-T-E 8. The pronunciation is same. Here is the 8, E-I-G-H-T 8 and 8. Sorry, the spelling is being written wrong, but that is okay. 8. A-T-E 8 means to eat up. It is the past tense of eat. Sanjay ate all chocolates yesterday. So this is the difference between 8 and 8. The words are same. Now next let's see the Differences: sun, sun, plane, plane, sea, sea, peace, peace, eight, eight. Thank you. These are